Gandang araw po. Bilang SSLG President ng Kapul Agro-Industrial High School, ang DepEd Norte po ang silbing ilaw na gumabay sa aming landas. Sa pamumuno ni Schools Division Superintendent Gaudencio Alheb Jr., mas naging makabuluhan ang mga programang umuusbong para sa kabataan. Sa bawat tulong ninyo, lalo pong tumitibay ang aming pangarap at kakayahan. Maraming salamat po sa inspirasyon at malasakit na patuloy ninyong ipinadama.
Mahalap Puwak. I would like to sincerely express my gratitude to our school's division superintendent for approving my reclassification and promotion. After 9 years of serving as Teacher 1, I am truly grateful to be reclassified as Teacher 4 and for the trust you have given me. This milestone motivates me to keep improving and to always do my best in teaching. I will continue to serve with dedication, honesty, and professionalism while supporting the goals of our division. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for this wonderful opportunity.
Mahalap Alaw Sika ang Gimuan, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Department of Education for my promotion from Teacher 1 to Teacher 4 through the Enhanced Career Progression Program. This is a significant milestone in my profession. I am truly honored and I will continue to serve with dedication and excellence. Maraming salamat po.
Bilang isang magulang, taos-puso po ako nagpapasalamat sa DepEd Norte sa patuloy na malasakit para sa aming anak. Malaki po ang inyong bahagi sa kanilang pag-unlad at pag-aaral. Dahil po sa inyo, naging mapanatag ang aming loob para sa kanilang kinabukasan. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na suporta at dedikasyon.